So it's time for another net worth update video because on my last update, I had a net worth of around $18,000. Now this increase was a huge welcome because on the past few months, my numbers started dwindling down. I wasn't seeing any increase at all and it was a little bit demotivating. Luckily, my investments went up a little bit and I was able to make a huge dent on my student loans, contributing to last month's increase. So now let's take a look at how my net worth for August performed. But before we begin, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Dredd and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos and pretty much anything related to money. But right now I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds or just want to show your support, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the main thing. So here we are on my Google spreadsheets, and as always, the numbers here are logged in as of August 31st at 5 p.m. Now let's go first at my cash right here. On the checking side right here, we have total checkings of $130.80 for Wells Fargo. Now as for my savings account, I only have my Yoda account, which is at $6,564.30. So a little bit of a background for these two accounts right here. For my checkings, it went a little bit lower compared to July because I have been doing a lot of things. I need to do some spending and I also had to kind of like think about my student loan payments. Now, by the way, this was prior to the announcement, so I continued making payments. Also, I mentioned spending a little bit more as well earlier because I was thinking of making some improvements to my room, and you know what, that was actually quite a good investment in my opinion because it made me happy and then it made my room a little bit organized. Now as for my savings, I continued to make $200 contributions for the month of August. However, I'm thinking for September, I'm increasing that monthly contribution just because of some freed up cash from my student loan payments. Increasing my monthly contributions to my saving accounts really works out well because I will be able to finally fully fund some of my saving buckets before the year ends. Now anyway, let's talk about my investments right here. Let's scroll down to my investments and take a look at the stock market. At the first right here, we have for TD Ameritrade $2,602.93, and then for Webull I have $8,700.13, and then finally for Public $69.32. Overall, my total stock market portfolio is now at $11,372.38. For cryptocurrency, let's scroll down. $76.96 for Coinbase, Qcoin $690.51, and then for my wallets, which consists of my MetaMask and then my Trust wallet from BNB, that's $52.74. And then finally for my DeFi right here, I have $199.71. So total cryptocurrencies basically is at $1,072.66, and total investments is at $12,445.04. Now a little bit of comment in regards to my stock market portfolio first. So I'm hearing some news that the stock market might actually crash again, and I'm seeing my values decline in my portfolio. Of course, that is not a good indicator that the market will actually crash, but at least it gives me an incentive to actually keep an eye on things. Now with the freed up cash from my student loan payments, I believe I am able to at least increase my monthly contributions to my stock portfolio investments and at least get, increase my values before the year ends, and then increase my dividends as well. Now as for my cryptocurrency portfolio, it's going to be the same thing just like last month. I'm barely going to touch this one. I have all my kind of like passive income systems kind of like in place already with Qcoin's earn features, so I'm pretty much getting some gains with their passive tokens, passive income streams, and all that stuff, some trading bots and some other stuff that I can actually use in Qcoin. But even though I am getting some gains here, the values are still getting overshadowed because there is some sort of crash happening. There is some crypto winter that is still happening, and values are still not kind of like gotten back up prior to the levels that have kind of like, my base levels or where before it actually went down. So just like with my stock market portfolio, my cryptocurrency portfolio is now up for consideration to kind of like add some monthly contribution. I never add anything here every month, but now with the freed up cash, I might start thinking of adding here monthly. At least that way I'll be able to grow my portfolio and then get some more gains from other tokens that might be able to give me passive income. But anyway, let's go over back here. Let's take a look at my total assets here. Total assets for the month of August is $19,140.14, or a decline in value of around $374.28, or a 1.92% decrease. So now let's take a look at my liabilities section right here. Let's scroll down for a bit. There you go, consumer debt and then student loans. So for the month of August, for consumer debt, I only have my Discover card right here at $187.63. And finally, for my student loans at Ed Financial, it's at $523.91. So that's pretty much it. Discover card, even though that I have paid some of the things that I have paid already last month, which was July. I had to rack up some debt as well because, like I said earlier, some room improvements that I have to make, some other expenses that I have to make as well here in the house. Anyway, for Ed Financial right here, I have $523 left in my student loan account, and that is pretty amazing. You know, I stopped making my payments. If you have not watched my previous video, I kind of like had to update my strategy and stop making payments. So obviously I'm gonna link it down below, or maybe even link it to one of my cards here. But anyway, that's pretty much it for my liabilities. Let's take a look at the total liabilities for the month of August. All right, let's scroll down right over here. And then total liabilities for the month of August is $711.54, or a decrease compared to last month of $795.14, or a 52.77 decrease. So that's pretty good. You know, now all my debts or my liabilities basically is below 4 digits. I am really happy for that one. Freed up cash means more money that I'll be able to kind of like flexibly contribute anywhere, you know, and that's very good. So anyway, let's take a look at the number that you are here for. Let's scroll down to the August section right here, and there you go. That is my net worth for the month of August, $18,428.60, or an increase of $420.86, or a 2.34% increase. So there you go, guys. My net worth, $18,400, only an increase of $400 compared to last month. It's not a big gain, but it is still a gain though that I am quite happy still. But with the freed up cash from stopping my student loan payments, my one focus right now is pretty much this: starting fresh. Even though my student loans are not officially done yet, I feel like I have a clean slate with my finances. There's freed up cash now, and I really have to think about future scenarios on where I'm actually going to put them and how I'm going to use them. I really love the position that I am in right now, but it can obviously be better. At this point, it's all about maintaining my low expenses and increasing my monthly income. Honestly, I can only cut so much from my expenses and save, and the only way to get past that limitation is to increase the gap, or at least increase my income, so that I can actually have more capital or more funds for other projects. There are a lot of things that I want to do, but for now I'm going to keep them on the down low so I can just keep on focusing on one thing at a time and get the most results from it. And that's pretty much it for the entire video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my net worth update video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Any suggestions are very and highly appreciated. If you like content just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video as well, comment, share this video with your friends who are actually on the same journey as me. If you are on Instagram, please add me there at DailyDredd as a friend so that we can chat, collaborate, and maybe even exchange some ideas. Thank you again so much for watching the entire video. Have an awesome and a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!